Whoa.
There it went.
It's fine.
It's fine.
There you go.
Who are you saying? That was...
Woo!
Wow.
It's a inline 6. Congratulations.
Territory.
That's okay.
Oh, it's pouring out.
It's what trans is.
Strawberry.
Yeah, that's not a good. It's got a lot of water in it.
Water.
Yeah. That's why it looks like strawberry quick.
I'm gonna let it sit there and drain.
Do you want me to
Bobby,
get
you ever drink Yoo-Hoo?
Back in the day,
Never had a Yoo-Hoo. I've seen it in the counters for years.
it's not
you want
bad.
me to put a bucket underneath of that? Because your pan is...
I like it better
Yeah, you
than
can slide
regular
forward.
chocolate milk. Like chocolate milk you make at home sucks. Yoo-hoo is alright.
I must have been the luckiest kid in the world. I got weaned from formula to Pepsi.
Nice.
Totally eliminated milk, all that stuff.
Be hitting the
My
side of the
dad's best friend was a Pepsi bottler. And so we would go weekly and just go pick up
Oh,
all
wait.
the Pepsi
It's
we
catching
wanted.
on the...
It's catching on
Wow.
something.
That's why my teeth rotted out.
Oh, wait, what is that?
What it's hitting it over there.
It's hitting on the linkage, but it's good. Oh, hey, you know what? We forgot to unhook the shift linkage.
Seriously?
Yeah,
No way.
yeah, man. Look at how much tensile strength it has.
Did we bend it?
We got a hammer. We'll fix it.
It's fine.
It's fine.
Now you gotta say it right.
Yeah, no wonder it's coming out funny.
Look at that.
So totally fine.
You got a.
Here, I'm
Say
gonna
that
back it down a
100
little bit.
times, yeah.
No, you're good. Oh no, the pin just broke. Hold on. Somebody give me a pair of pliers. It'll come right out. Like you had enough pressure on it. It broke.
Anyone? Pliers.
Somebody give me some pliers. Like some needle nose. Part of it.
Pin's not broken.
No,
is
the
it?
cotter pin. It was breaking the ends off. I have video of it launching it. It's kind of funny.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, wow, that's cool.
Yeah, look how good we did.
I guess I should take some still shots from this angle, huh?
Multi angles.
Right, because I'm so tall.
Thank you.
I can get all...
Sweet freedom. Not enough.
Yeah, but it'll straighten out.
We got a hammer.
Hammers are full.
It's totally fine.
It's fine.
It's so fine.
The title of these videos, it's just gonna say it's fine.
Yeah, 6-year-old car just banging with a hammer.
So, what do you figure the weight is with this, the engine, and the transmission?
Probably around 700 pounds.
Oh, I was gonna say like maybe 8.
Yeah, it's not that heavy.
We're gonna rip that out.
No, we good. Yeah, it's fine.
It's fine.
Damn, Chuck.
What?
Oh, you going away?
I'm like Towley. You want to get high?
Tally, my favorite character.
I knew Adam Ross would like Towley.
Well, who doesn't love Tally?
Towley's the first episode with Towley. I have never laughed that hard in my fucking life.
I don't know. Mr. Hanky the Christmas Pooh.
That one's good too.
Yeah.
There it is.
Hey guys, it's out, gang. Woo! We just ran this car like what? 45 minutes, an hour ago?
What time is it?
18.
7:25.
Close enough.
Oh, no shit. So we got it out in about an hour.
Yeah, look at that.
That's pretty impressive, don't you think?
Yes.
Yeah.
Now, I wonder what the flat rate time for that is for a good Ford mechanic knowing what he was doing.
Oh, $900.
Yeah, they'll charge you like 4 hours.
No, back in the 50s, I wonder if they gave you an hour to get an engine out.
No. I have the book. I could look it up at home.
Okay. No, I'm really serious.
I'll look it up. We'll find out.
Detailed it wants to clean all.
You've never driven to Florida, hyped up on speed,
Not gonna hit
listening
the
to
car,
one
right?
tape of Johnny Cash like I have.
Well, you see, your problem.
These videos are funnier because it has Adam Ross special commentary.
Your problem was Johnny Cash.
Oh no!
Oh, Johnny Cash is
Blossom
good.
Special. Oh no! Johnny Cash is great when you're high.
Sherman does not like the country and or western,
I don't like him either.
I like the
Car swearing at it.
right?
starter.
How
Yeah.
many times did you change the starter in your low buck truck that way?
I have never done it that way.
Oh, my Suburban used to eat starters.
Well, you see, I have the old style starter. I've got the 1950s starter.
Okay. All I know is every 60,000 miles, I finally figured it out. It was 60,000 miles. I would put a new alternator, a new water pump,
And
a
then
new
these bolts on the other side come off, right?
Yeah, we gotta get those off
starter
too.
on it. And it was the cheapest insurance I had that I would not be stuck in the middle of Keokuk,
This has
Iowa.
3.
I don't mind Iowa. It's Nebraska I have an issue with.
There's some pretty parts of both places, but the people are really reprehensible.
Did I mention I'm not a fan of Nebraska?
Yeah. Going into the roof.
Peter's got the starter out.
Wow, look at that. Very manly.
Man, it's heavy.
Hold on, Peter, hold that up.
Bendix.
Simba!
Man, it's heavy.
Where's the gear?
It is right. It's right
It's right
there.
there.
What?
Did this come?
Why is
It's
this so
supposed to come
different
out?
than what I look at when I think of starter? Is it like flipped?
Because it's kind of ass backwards.
Yeah, the Bendix is, you're used to
size do
the
you think this one
Bendix
is?
being
a half.
in the starter.
Peter's,
as opposed
Peter's
to
got
out.
it.
Okay.
But also the gear
Am I take
is
this one?
farthest
Yeah.
out. It looks like
And then
the
he
Right,
needs
here
one for that
it's-
side. You got two
it's
halves?
flipped.
Okay.
It's flipped.
No, we got
Yeah,
one.
one half.
third one.
That's
Okay,
the way
okay.
it was back in the day.
Back in
Now,
the
have we
dizzy.
disconnected all the other
Right.
Subaru bearing.
I just separated.
It's like this wide.
Just probably left this, right?
We ready to pull it apart, boys? We're gonna pull straight back, guys. Just somebody grab the trans and pull,
Grab and pull.
or hold the. Ready?
Rock and roll.
There she goes.
Strong branches.
Wow.
That's it.
Wow.
Very good.
All right.
All right.
What
wow.
time is it?
Like
About
740.
8, right?
7:40.
Should we take the head off?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do that.
How you do
All
that?
right.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna drop the engine on the ground.
It's on the ground. You're gonna dent the
Not
bolt.
quite.
You're gonna dent the oil pan here.
No. It'll be fine.
Peter, what's the saying of the day?
It's
It'll be fine.
It's fine.
See, it's fine.
Oh, you want to go that way?
Allie, torque converter.
Truck converter. Truck converter.
Pick it up. Pick it up. Pick it up.
Lift it.
Holy cheese.
Wow.
Look at that.
Done.
Where do you want us to roll it?